worst roommate.
What's that like?
She.
Oh, I just used her toothbrush.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Wow, that really sucks.
Yeah, I know. She drains me emotionally. I just want to physically hurt her. You know what I mean?
No, yeah, I totally get it.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sure we could think of something. I mean, I've got like all this paper.
Dude, we could totally make ninja stars with that.
Or paper airplanes.
Or we could do both.
That's brilliant.
Right?
Dude, I don't understand how to make these.
This
And
is-
like, we're running out of time. We only have an hour until she gets home.
I mean, I can make the planes okay, but these stupid stars just won't like stay together. They keep coming apart.
I mean, I'm pretty good at making ninja stars. Are you good at making paper airplanes?
I've been doing it since I was born. Yeah.
Perfect.
You guys have a
Go. Where did you
You.
come from?
Listen, you really should try to use your comparative advantage when making the paper airplanes and the ninja stars.
What does that even mean?
Well, how many paper airplanes or ninja stars could you make before your roommate gets home?
I could make a lot more than I could paper airplanes.
And what about you?
Well, I made like these 6 paper airplanes, but I've only been able to make 2 of these stupid stars.
See, you've got comparative advantage for your paper airplanes.
So what is comparative advantage?
Comparative advantage means you have a lower opportunity cost than the other person.
Well, what's opportunity cost?
Opportunity cost is the cost of the next best thing you could have been doing. So like the time it took you to make those 2 ninja stars, you could have made 6 paper airplanes.
So, he should just be making paper airplanes, and I should just be making ninja stars?
Exactly. Get to it.
Wow.
Hey, losers.
How did you take so many?
You used comparative advantage!
Those are my hot Cheetos!
Minimize their opportunity
You used my
cost!
toothbrush! You owe me money!
Economics!